Today we're going to repair trunk support struts. Now basically, if you open your trunk and it doesn't stay open in your 94 to 2004 Mustang, then that means it's time to swap them out. It's actually a fairly simple install. Let's get to it. So when I lift the trunk, you can see that it does not stay up with the support strut. It just comes straight down if you let it go. So that's not good. It's actually this black strut you see that's supposed to hold up the trunk, but it has no hydraulics left. What you can see is the oil actually leaked out of it, and so the hydraulic oil, so that's why it no longer works. So the repair is actually fairly straightforward. So what you want to do is pop out this clip at the top here with a flathead screwdriver. Then you do the same at the bottom. But first let's do the top. So pretty much this piece right here, this little thing right here comes out. So go ahead and fit your flathead screwdriver in there to pop it out. You might want to use goggles when you're doing this. But once you do that, you can see it releases it. And now you want to do the bottom as well. It's actually really hard trying to do this one-handed, but anyway, you can see here, same thing with the bottom. So you want to get the flathead so that you could get it loose, and then it just pops out. But I'm going to do this with two hands. The hardest part of this thing is holding it with one hand because I'm holding the phone to show you how to do this. But all you should do now is you do not want to use the flathead to pop it in. You should just be able to pop it in with your hands at the bottom, and then you just do the top one. This top one should be easier to show, so all you have to do is literally just snap it in, and one is done. Now the other side. And you can already see that even though we replaced one, it's already holding it up. So two will definitely get the job done. So you can already see the before and after where there's oil buildup here on both ends where it leaked, and then of course a nice new one. Looks a lot better. Just need to wash my bumper since I haven't been able to hold it up easily, but now I can. So that's it, just like that. I'd say you probably need no more than 5 minutes. You probably can do it faster if you have an extra set of hands, or you're not doing a video like this one. But if you did appreciate this video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell so that you don't miss any other videos we're about to drop, all about technology, including some repairs on old tech. All right, have a great day.